In previous videos, we have seen how to register a new user and how to sign in using email and password. In this video, we will see how to verify email ID using Firebase Authentication. So first, we will open sign-in activity and activity_signin.xml. Here, under sign-in button, we will create text view displaying verify email. And in upcoming videos, we will create a forgot password option beside verify email. Text view. Width and height, wrap content. ID, TV_verify_email. Text, verify email. Text size, 16 sp. Text color, blue light. Top to bottom of btn_signin_user. Margin top, 10. Left to left of parent. Right to right of parent. Constraint layout horizontal bias 0.75. Now we will create reference for this text view inside sign-in activity. Once we click on Sign In button, we need to check if the email is verified or not before opening Home activity. So inside if task. Is successful. If mauth.getCurrentUser. Is email verified. Then, we will place the intent and start activity inside the if statement. Else. Toast, please verify email. Now below btn_signin_user. Set on click listener. We will create TV_verify_email. Set on click listener. If mauth.getCurrentUser equals now. Then, toast, please sign in first. Else. mauth.getCurrentUser. Send email verification. Add on complete listener. If task. Is successful, which means email is sent. Then, toast, verification email sent. Now click on Run. Select Sign In. Click on Verify Email and see the toast message. Now, I will sign in with my email and password, and then click on Verify Email. I have clicked the Verify Email link multiple times and here you can see the email. Click on this link now. And now, my email is verified. Now, if I go back and click on Sign In, the app will open Home activity. In Firebase Authentication, under Templates tab, you can see the email address verification template. If you want, you can edit this template. So, in upcoming videos, we will deal with update password and password reset.